A child walks into your dental clinic. What's next? Will you restore, perform a pulpotomy, pulpectomy, or extract? Let's learn how to decide step by step with science, logic, and easy mnemonics. Step 1. Take a good history and do a careful examination. Ask the child about pain using the mnemonic SOCRATES. Site, onset, character, radiation, associated symptoms, time, exacerbating and relieving factors, and severity. Then perform intraoral examination. Check for caries, swelling, sinus tract, mobility, and discoloration. Next, take a periapical radiograph, your best friend for diagnosis. Remember the 3 R's for reading your X-ray: radiolucency, resorption, and root condition. Now decide if the pulp is vital or non-vital. If the bleeding is bright red and controlled, the pulp is vital. If it's dark or you have spontaneous or night pain or an abscess, the pulp is non-vital. Mnemonic: vital equals vivid red, no pain ahead. Night pain means non-vital, pulpectomy right. Use our golden decision mnemonic: F, P, P, E. Fill, pulpotomy, pulpectomy, extract. If the caries is shallow or moderate and there's no pulp exposure or symptoms, just do a filling. Clean, restore, and protect the tooth. Mnemonic: if the pulp is fine, just fill and shine. If the pulp is exposed but still vital and there's no spontaneous pain, you'll perform a pulpotomy. Bleeding is bright red and stops easily, and there's no swelling or radiolucency. Vital equals vivid red, no pain ahead. Avoid pulpotomy if there's night pain, sinus tract, swelling, dark or uncontrolled bleeding, or radiographic pathology. Materials used for a pulpotomy include MTA, ferric sulfate, formocresol, or biodentine. The base can be zinc oxide eugenol or a glass ionomer, and the final restoration should be a stainless steel crown. The pulpotomy technique follows the mnemonic C3HBR. Cut, clean, control, hemostasis, base, restore. Step 1. Cut. Remove caries and open the pulp chamber using a high-speed burr with water. Step 2. Clean. Remove the coronal pulp with a sterile spoon excavator. Step 3. Control bleeding. Check that it's bright red. Step 4. Hemostasis. Apply MTA, ferric sulfate, or formocresol for about 3 to 5 minutes. Step 5. Place the base with ZOE or GIC. And Step 6. Restore with a stainless steel crown. If bleeding stops and color is healthy, pulpotomy is perfect. If bleeding is dark or uncontrollable, move to pulpectomy. Pulpectomy is for non-vital pulp. It means complete removal of necrotic tissue from the crown and roots, followed by filling with a resorbable material. Indications include spontaneous or night pain, necrotic pulp, sinus tract, or radiolucency, as long as the tooth is restorable and not near exfoliation. Mnemonic: pain at night, pulpectomy right. Do not perform pulpectomy if there's advanced root resorption, a non-restorable crown, or the tooth is near exfoliation. Materials used include irrigants like saline, sodium hypochlorite 1%, or chlorhexidine, and filling materials like zinc oxide eugenol, iodoform pastes such as Vitapex or Metapex, or calcium hydroxide with iodoform. Final restoration is a stainless steel crown. Always remember primary canals are thin and resorb naturally, so resorbable material is essential. Extraction is indicated when the tooth is non-restorable, has advanced root resorption, recurrent abscess, or is near exfoliation. Also consider it if the child is uncooperative and the tooth isn't functionally important. Mnemonic: end of the line, extraction time. If extraction is done early, place a space maintainer. To summarize the comparison, in pulpotomy, the pulp is vital and bleeding is controlled. In pulpectomy, the pulp is non-vital, with spontaneous or night pain and radiolucency. Vital means pulpotomy, non-vital means pulpectomy. After any procedure, always give post-treatment instructions. Maintain oral hygiene, use fluoride, control diet, and schedule regular recall visits. Let's recap the mnemonics for easy memory. FPPE, fill, pulpotomy, pulpectomy, extract. SOCRATES, pain history. 3 R's, radiograph clues. C3HBR, pulpotomy steps. RCCOFR, pulpectomy steps. Diagnose first, decide wisely, and treat scientifically. Now you're ready to treat every pediatric patient with confidence, because great dentists don't just drill, they decide with science.